Hey, Sean Callagy here with Unblinded, and we are socializing in the midst of this. So what socializing looks like is Jessica's on that end of the porch with Bodhi on a leash. Bodhi doesn't understand social distancing. And on that side is Tyler, all the way down there. Son, hi Ty.
Hello.
So this is like social distancing circa 2020 March. So Jessica, what is present for you?
Oh my goodness, I'm so grateful to be here and surrounded by loved ones. I've been connecting more with my family now than I've ever been on FaceTime, and I love it. I'm so grateful to be here and to be able to do this.
Yay!
I love that, you know, even though we're doing social distancing, we're still be able to connect and share our love and support each other.
And how is Bodhi?
And Bodhi's so happy! Oh my goodness, you should have seen him on the sand. We have to do a video just on that. He brings so much joy, jumping around. He sniffs it and then jumps around somewhere else and then jumps around. He's so excited, and I think he's very grateful for this whole coronavirus situation. He gets to have mom to himself.
He gets mommy at home all day long.
And Ty made an awesome trip down to the lighthouse.
Yes, I did.
Yeah, how was that, Ty? Was that, again, how is it being like this weirdness of physical distance, you know, isolation? Like, what's present for you?
Yeah, just relaxing, doing a lot of reading, and just getting back to the basics. Really, you know, slowing down and taking advantage of this new reality that we live in for however long.
Because a short time ago, Ty was living with 6 guys in college. You know, now it's like space.
Yeah, totally.
Whole new world.
Hi, Julie. Hi, Nita.
Hi guys, how are you? And Mona, what's present for you as we're hanging out? And we'll bring this to a wrap in a moment.
What is present for me right now is the ocean behind you and the chance that we have of smelling the fresh air, being here, the sand, the air. It's just so beautiful and pure, and I feel very blessed because I know that some of you that are watching and some other people in the world are probably not in such a great situation compared to this. So I'm really, really grateful, and I'm sending you guys all kinds of fresh air and ocean breeze in the camera.
Yes. And so thank you guys for being here. And the huddle acceleration has been incredible this week, and I'm immensely grateful. And we're going to keep innovating, adding massive value and connection for all of us. And let's see how Jessica does with this. We're all blind, and Jessica?
I'm sorry, what was it? Bodhi, I was
Boo! Boo! This is like Rob Gill Part 2. We're all blind and
learning to see. Ay, ay, ay.
ay, ay, ay. She'll get it.
See you guys later.